sound engineering, the technical discipline of recording, producing, and controlling sound, a vibration through time and space. My entire life I've wanted to produce music. My dad was a producer. He was my hero. He taught me that producing is an art form. It's the process of combining the practical and the creative to produce something magical, something inspirational. That's what led me to Tulsa Tech. What's up, Chris?
Hey.
What you got, man? I know we've been working hard on this song, so. At Tulsa Tech, we are taught how to train our ears to understand acoustics, how the beat of a drum perfectly complements the strum of a guitar, how to read the knobs on a mixing board, control the levels of a microphone so audiences can experience music the way it's meant to be experienced. We learn what Pro Tools is and how to perfectly formulate voices and beats and instruments to make a person feel something deeper. But I'm not quite there yet.
Okay, if you ever get stuck on a mix, what you might want to try is some saturation. It'll add a little bit more body, plus it can glue your mix together.
That's it. So what's sound engineering like at Tulsa Tech? Come find out.